Hi, Michael here, January 9, 2:35 p.m. Brussels time. European markets have been open all day already. US markets will open in 55 minutes. For a bit of luck, we can still have that live while we are making this video here. The analysis for today has already been completed though, and we'll be adding 3 new stocks to the US watch list. We'll do that later after having a look at the markets for today. All very much in the green, very convincing, and more than I had expected after last week's rally. France was a bit in doubt early this morning, but turned back to green also, and we see that even the Dow and all the other futures will open up positive as well. Now let's have a look what we can add for you today here. The first one is IFF, International Flavors and Fragrances. I'll have a look at the first resistance at 110.15. So not much spread left. On the other hand, if we break this resistance, we'll see what happens over the next days. Next one, MMC, Marsh McLennan, if I remember well. Indeed, Marsh McLennan, insurance brokers. Let's check the analysis. Okay, technical analysis shows that mid and long-term indicators look okay, although in short term we may see some deterioration. First resistance encountered at 166.88. And as we can see that the current price has already passed that resistance, so we would see a next resistance at 176.75. Which leaves a spread to first resistance of 339. So definitely not a candidate for the sweet spot, but definitely we'll keep an eye on it. The next one, BRSN, Pearson. Let's see what technical analysis shows. And therefore, VeriSign mid and long-term indicators are positive. Short-term, we may see some deterioration. First resistance 200.59. Also there, current price has already passed that resistance, so the next one we would see at 206.60. There we're very close to the resistance point here, so also not a candidate for the sweet spot. Now let's have a look what the sweet spot is at this moment. So we'll sort this on rating and then on spread. So according to the dashboard, we'd have seven stocks in the sweet spot. All the records are fairly up to date. And here we have them. These are the 7 records in the sweet spot, of which one is very early in the rally. I'll have a quick check to see if that's still the case. But nice spreads here between current price and first resistance ranging between 10 and 15%. Let's have a quick look here at the Q dell'orto. I'll be right back after I've picked up the tech. So all signs are still on green for Q dell'orto. Still a rating of accumulate. Technical catch-up has started and is ongoing. First resistance remains unchanged, so this is one that definitely we should keep an eye on, with a nice spread between the current price and first resistance of 12.38%. That was it for today. Tomorrow morning we'll be back with the first results of the first trading day in the US, and let's hope it stays as positive as this day in Europe was. See you tomorrow.